How Skool Calendar Works. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how the Skool Calendar works in Skool Community. So over here, as you can see on our screen, we are currently at the basic Skool Community. And if you visit your own community, you will be able to see that there is a calendar option over here on the top menu. If you visit a school community or the default over here or any community that you don't own, you won't be able to see the calendar options over here as you can see. But on communities that you own, you will have it over here as you can see, and this is what it would look like. It's like your typical calendar. You could see the months, you could see the dates, you could see the time. But the thing that you could see here is the events that you will be able to add or like time that you want to mark. For example, over here, for this day, which is Thursday, November 26th, I have here coffee hour today, 12:30 a.m. to 1:30 a.m. Then you have your position or like location, and then description over here, which people could then add to their Google Calendar and Apple. Now, you can click on today, which will allow you to navigate to the specific date over here. This just helps you with figuring out when or what current day you are currently in because to be honest, it's a bit hard to see over here since everything is a bit white. So people might get confused or like might have a hard time checking what day is what day. So anyway, over here, if you want to add events or stuff like what we saw earlier, simply click on this plus icon over here, which if you click this, will show us this pop up. So these events are very simple. You can simply enter the title, select the date that you want it to be added to. So let's say November 28th. Select the times over here. Let's say I want it to be done or performed at 7 p.m. You have a duration over here, let's say 1.5 hours. So it will automatically adjust. So it's going to say 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. You have your time zone over here. You have time zone from all over the country or all over the world. Because of course, you say this is an event for the Philippines or this is an event for Taiwan. You could set their time zone for that if your target audience or target people are those people who are from there. You can simply put in the title over here. So let's say meet and greet, something like that. And then you could put in the description that you have over here. So let's say this event will be to meet and greet our members from the country of, you can simply put the country name over here, and so on and so forth. So let me fix our spelling over here for a bit. And then over here, you could put in the location. You have four different options over here. You could put Zoom, and then you could simply put in a Zoom link that you have here. So people typically use Zoom over here or Zoom meetings to be able to talk with one another and be able to have some online meeting. And then people could also utilize Google Meets. That also works. You could also set up your own Google Meet link over here that could be reusable for many occasions. And then lastly, or the last two, you have address. So if this is a live event, like you will be hosting an event at a specific location, you would be entering the address over here, like the physical, real life address. So let's say at this street, at this town, at this building, or at this shop, you could put that as your address over here. And then of course you could have link over here if you have any other external links or external meeting application that is not Zoom or Google Meet, you could put in the links available over here or over there as you can see. So after that, you could also upload a cover image. You have a 1460 by 752 pixels over here. So you could create your cover link under Canva. Canva is a really cool tool that you could take advantage or utilize. So in Canva, we could simply create a custom size over here, which is very useful, and then simply put in the exact numbers over here. So 1460 And then height 752. 52, there we go. Create design. And now simply enter the necessary elements or necessary information. So over here, click on elements. And then simply enter the information, or depending on the event, or like what the event is about. So let's say we have here meet and greet. We could search elements over here, meet and greet, and you will be able to have related meet and greet elements over here. So you could create something like this. There's so many graphics over here that you guys could use. So use your creativity and build the things that you think would look really great with. So let's put this one to the back, something like that. Then simply click on share, click on download, and you click on download once again. You can also use GIFs or videos. As long as you download them as GIF, I think it will work. But anyway, after that, we can now simply drag and drop it into your cover here over here. Click on save, and then you could have it enabled, or you could have the option to remind members by mail 1 day before. And then you could also specify whether it's members or members at a certain level who will be able to be invited or can attend that meeting. And as you can see, it's now added over here. If you will view it, it's going to show up like this one. And then people could add it to their calendar, whether it's their Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, Outlook Calendar, and Yahoo Calendar over here. Now, you could also change the way you view our calendar over here. You could click that button over here beside the calendar option, which will allow you to view it this way, as you can see, which is a bit more easy to look at. People could see specifically right away the event that is going to be held in the future, and people could scroll through the different months over here, as you can see. But they could also stick with the calendar view over here, where they can see this and then simply click on the link to see the information, whether it's the cover or the title, the position or like the location, and the description over here. And same thing, they will be able to move or like check out the different months as well. And if you're a bit lost, click on the today option, which will put us back to where you currently are, or what day it currently is as of now. So that's basically it, guys. That is how you will be able to use School Calendar, and that's how it basically works. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.